Hi and welcome to Dizno's Education Hub. Adding your brands to Dizno is the first step in creating the assets you need. Let's add our first brand together. You can always use the demo brand as inspiration. Go ahead and click on Create My Brand. First, you need to enter basic information about your brand, including name, website, if you have one, and your target audience. Once you're done, you have two options. Process with this information by clicking on Done or Add Advanced Details. This is your brand profile. On your left, you can see the different information categories, and on your right, you can add details. Remember that in each step, you should click on Save to save your process. In the first tab, go ahead and add your brand basics. Upload a logo or cover photo, add a description, anything you like. Once you saved your details, click on Visual Identity. If you have a primary color, go ahead and enter. Add any additional information you want. In the Brand Character tab, you can add more information about your brand's personality. And in the last tab, you can enter more details on your target audience and channels. It's okay if you don't have all the answers yet. Building your brand profile in time will help you have a more personalized experience with Dizno, so share as much as you like. Once you're done, click on Save and Exit, and you can see your brand's overview. You can change, remove, or add brand details anytime by clicking on Brand Profile. Now you can start building assets. Let's get creative.